Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta, everybody. Just a minute, give me a minute, children. All right, everybody ready with the books?
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday, till where did we do?
Ma'am, we were doing the page number 29.
We were doing page number 29. All right, who will read out page number 29 today? Avnish, will you read out the dialogues given on page number 29?
Can I?
Yes, you can. Okay, the first picture, see there are how many blocks made? The numbering is also given. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 blocks are made and you all are 5 in number. Anshuman and Pranjali. Will you be answering? Will you be responsive today? Yes, Anshuman is yes. Okay, good Pranjali. Now the first one will be read by Avnish Singh. Avnish, read out the first one.
Bonjour, les elves. Hello, students. And ma'am, je suis la nouvelle institutrice. I am a new teacher.
Yes.
I am the new teacher.
Bonjour les élèves. It's les élèves. Good morning, students. I am the new institutrice. That is, I am your new instructor. Then the second dialogue, Anshuman. Second dialogue.
Ma'am, bonjour, madame. Good morning, ma'am. Comment vous appelez-vous? What is your name? Je m'appelle Mariana. This is Espagnol. My name is Mariana. J'enseigne le math. I am a maths teacher.
No, I am not the maths teacher. J'enseigne les maths. I teach maths. J'enseigne means I teach. Then the third one. Who is going to read the third block? Mahi Singh.
Vous avez quel age?
Vous avez quel âge? Vous avez quel âge?
What is your age?
Yes, very good. Next.
J'ai 30 ans. My age is 30.
Yes, I'm 30 years old. J'ai 30 ans. I'm 30 years old. Then next.
Où habitez-vous?
Où habitez-vous? Où habitez? Then what does it mean?
Where is your home?
Yes, where do you live? Where do you live?
Je habite à Madrid.
Okay. J'habite à Madrid. Very nice. I live in Madrid. Then the fourth one. The fourth one, Pranjali. Pranjali,
Yes, ma'am.
read out the fourth one, beta. Okay, Om, will you read out the fourth one?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out, beta.
Vous parlez combien de langues?
Vous parlez combien de langues? What does this question mean? Vous parlez
Ma'am, which
combien de langues?
language do you speak?
Yes, how many languages do you speak? Then, what does the teacher reply?
Je parle trois languages. Je parle espagnol, anglais et français.
Je parle trois langues. Je parle espagnol, anglais et français. Which are these three languages?
Ma'am,
English,
Spanish.
French.
Spanish, English, and French.
Very nice. So the teacher speaks these three languages. Then, the last one. Now, who will read the last one?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, Mahi.
Ma'am, vous êtes marié? Are you married?
Vous êtes marié. Very nice. Are you married? Then, 14th dialogue.
Oui, je suis marié. Yes, I am married.
Oui, je suis marié. Marié. Then, 15th dialogue.
Oh la la, vous parlez
No, no, beta, this is the 16th dialogue. Read the 15th one first.
combien d'enfants avez-vous?
Combien d'enfants avez-vous? How many children do you have? Then, what does the teacher react?
Oh la la, vous parlez beaucoup.
Ooh la la, vous parlez beaucoup. Now, what is that?
Ma'am,
You speak a lot. Okay, now children, what is the purpose of this dialogue? These are simple lines and so much has been communicated in these lines. So this is simply something that even you can try. Now, like suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 students are there in the class right now. You all 6 can also do a little dialogue making. Will you be able to do that? Let's just practice. Now, on which lines are you going to speak? Okay, everybody just write down in English what you have to translate in French. Okay, Om will say, hi friends, how are you? Write it down, Om's dialogue. I'm telling you everyone's dialogue.
Hi, friends.
Write it down, beta. You will say, hi friends, how are you? Now all the friends together will reply, very good, how about you? Very good and you. We have learned this. Very good and you. Done? Then, what will, Om, what do you want to reply? When your friends will ask, how are you? Yes, Om, tell. What will your reply?
Ma'am, I will say, bonjour, Ms. Comment allez-vous?
No, beta. First you have asked, hi friends, how are you? Then friends will say, very good, and you. Then what will your reply be? And you, how do you want, what do you want to sound?
I'm pass mark.
Okay, not bad. All right. Om will say not bad. First, how are you to friends? And friends will say, what about you? So Om is saying not bad. Now, what is the next dialogue that you can deliver? Tell.
I will deliver.
Okay, then Anshuman will say, which class do we have? We have which class today? Better don't say it, just write these dialogues in English so that you are able to translate them. Then Mahi is going to reply, we have the class of maths. We have the class of maths. Then Avnish will say, where is the maths sir or maths teacher? Where is the maths teacher? Om, all friends, then again Om, then Anshuman, Mahi, Avnish. Who is left? Zainab. Zainab, are you there? Where is the maths teacher? Now, what will the answer to this question be? Where is
Can
the-
you repeat the question?
Ma'am, he is
the
in
whole
staff room.
dialogue is, the whole dialogue comes, hello friends, how are you? Friends say, we are good, and you? Om says, not bad. Then Anshuman says, we have which class today? Mahi says, we have the class of maths. Then Avnish says, where is the maths teacher? Now, what will the answer to this question be? Where is the maths teacher?
Maths teacher will be coming in 5 minutes.
Teacher will be
As
there in
It is
Your
the
time.
regular class.
some time.
Okay. Mahi says, the teacher is coming very soon. The teacher is coming. Okay, the teacher is coming. That's all. The teacher is coming. Okay. Then, Pranjali, are you there? No response. Okay. Then Om says, do we also have the class of French? Do we also have the class of French? Then Avnish says, I don't like French, but I love maths. Have you all written these dialogues? No, it is not that
Yes.
Nish will only translate his dialogue in French. All of you have to completely translate the whole dialogue making. This whole conversation is
Ma'am,
to be,
what's above the dialogue? I don't like French, ma'am, above it.
do we also have the class of French?
Okay.
Now I'm giving you 5 minutes, translate it, and then you all will speak. Children done?
Ma'am, what is don't in French?
Okay. I don't like French. Okay, you can simply say here, I hate French. Because you have not
Okay,
done
ma'am.
sentences in negative right now.
Ma'am, in I love maths, what is love in French?
In I love math,
Ma'am, Ami. Ma'am, Ami.
what beta?
Ma'am, love. Ma'am, I like math.
I like, or you can j'adore. I adore. J'adore. Children done? Now Om has left and Avnish is there, Anshuman is there. Okay, the first dialogue. Hello friends, how are you? Who will translate this? Anshuman, what is the French translation? Anshuman?
Yes, ma'am, salut.
Yes.
Salut, ¿cómo allez-vous?
Okay. Salut, army. Friends is what? Army. Right?
Yes,
Salut, army. Comment ça va? You can also ask, comment ça va? Okay, Avnish, what is the reply?
Ma'am, très bien at tu,
Très bien, et tu?
très
No,
bien
not
et
tu, et toi, and you. Toi, it's toi. Okay? Et toi. Then what was Om's reply? Not bad. Now, what is not bad in French?
pas mal.
Pas mal. Pas mal. Then, Anshuman, your dialogue has come.
Yes, ma'am. Nous avons 12 class aujourd'hui.
We have which class today? What is your answer, beta?
Ma'am, nous avons 12 class aujourd'hui.
Very good. Nous avons quelle classe aujourd'hui? Or quelle classe nous avons aujourd'hui? Then Mahi replies. Mahi, your dialogue. Mahi.
Woo.
Yes.
Woo.
We have. What is we in French?
Nous.
Nous.
Now we have the class of French. Nous avons. Okay, who will tell me? Can anyone tell me, Avnish, Anshuman, Om, the translation of this dialogue?
Can you repeat the dialogue?
We have the class of maths. We have the class of maths.
Ma'am, I think it will be
Yes.
nous à la classe de mathématiques.
Very good. But it will be nous avons, not allons. Allons is to go. Nous avons la classe de math. Either you can write MATHS, the math, or the mathématique. Both are correct.
Okay, ma'am.
Then after that, Avnish has to reply, where is the maths teacher?
Où sont les math institute?
Okay. Beta Avnish, what is your dialogue?
And where is the math teacher?
Yes, in French, just repeat what you have framed.
Où sont les math institute?
No, but we are just talking about one teacher, beta. Why have you written où sont? Did you write où sont?
No, ma'am, not so.
Right? We are just talking about one teacher. Where is? What we come for is?
EST?
Yes. Où est? Où est? Then,
Où est les math institute?
all right. You can also write où est le professeur de math? Where is the maths teacher? Où est le professeur de math? Okay. Then Mahi says the teacher is coming. Okay, we have not done this verb coming. Let's skip. The teacher is going. The teacher is going today. Where is the maths teacher? The teacher is going today. That means the teacher will not come in the class. So what will you write here? Yes. Le professeur. What will you write now? Tell me. What is the last dialogue?
Les professeurs a aujourd'hui.
Very nice.
Va
Very good. Le professeur. The teacher is going. Le professeur va. Il va, elle va means she goes or he goes or she's going or he is going. Le professeur va aujourd'hui. Very nice. So that's all. Then coming on to the next page, children. Page number 30. Now this first exercise, just hurry up and try to do it yourself in the book itself. It is a very easy exercise. Just a revision to the previous exercises that we have done.
Ma'am, what is etudiant?
Beta, in which sentence? Okay. Etudiant
Ma'am,
is,
question.
etudiant means student.
Okay. ma'am.
Ma'am, please send the PDF of the exercises as it is not available on the group.
What, beta?
Ma'am, please send the exercises.
Beta, I can't understand what you are saying.
Ma'am, please send the exercises.
You have done the first exercise? Okay, done the first exercise, everyone?
Ma'am, in seventh one, what is the last word?
The last, which one, beta?
I mean, seventh sentence, the last
Voila.
word female.
Voila means here is or here are. So here are dash and dash. Okay, everyone has done this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The first one. Now, j'aime dash chocolat. What will come?
Ma'am, Ellie.
L-E. J'aime le chocolat et les bonbons.
Lay.
And I mean, bonbon lay.
Yes. In bonbon, it will be lait. The second one, dash étudiant parle. Sorry. Dash étudiant parle anglais.
And lay.
L apostrophe. It is going to be L apostrophe. L'étudiant parle anglais. The student speaks English. Then the third one. Mireille regarde dash télévision.
La.
La, L-A. Very nice. Then next one. dash gom a rose.
Ma'am, la
La.
Ma'am,
La
lay.
gom. No, beta, it's la.
la
L-A.
at play.
La gom a rose. Then nous aimons dash glass a dash gâteau. Now what will it?
Ma'am, la.
Ma'am,
La
la
glace. Very
at
good.
place.
Lait. Very nice. La glace et les gâteaux. Then il choisit dash stylo et dash règle. Il choisit. Yes.
Ma'am, Ellie.
LES? No, because stylo is in plural. So it is going to be
LES.
LES. Il choisit les stylos et
La.
les règles. Because règle is also given in plural, beta.
Yes, ma'am, there are two.
We use LES. Then the last one, voila. What have you written?
Ma'am, in Ome, L apostrophe.
Yes. Voila l'homme et dash femme. Et la femme. Why? Because femme is feminine gender. So we put
Feminine.
LA before it. Okay, next. Now, in the above one, what we had used, the first exercise is about using definite articles. Now, the second exercise, you have to use indefinite articles. Un, they. Now, hurry up, use it, and then we are going to discuss it. Okay? Children, done the next exercise? Avnish, Mahi, Pranjali, beta done?
Ma'am, what is JUPE?
Jupe is a skirt. And jupe is also feminine. Mahi and Pranjali, till where have you done?
Done.
Completed. Very nice. Very good. And what about you, Pranjali?
I'm done.
Okay, the first sentence. Voila, dash stylo a dash crayon. What is the answer to the first
Ma'am,
one?
first UN and then they.
Ma'am, you and they.
Okay. Voila, un stylo et des crayons. Second, say dash Rob et say dash Gio.
Ma'am, and une.
No, it is Ion and Ion. C'est une robe et c'est une jupe. Both are feminine. Then, nous choisissons dash bonbon et dash gâteau.
Ma'am, the second one, the
They
first
and
one is feminine.
Which one?
I mean second.
In second one, beta, both are feminine genders.
Okay.
Then,
Ma'am, they and
they and un.
Ma'am, they and
Et un gâteau. Then, voila, dash homme et dash femme.
Ma'am, and une.
Ma'am, home and at une femme.
Voila, un homme et, where is it?
Une.
Et une femme. Then, next. C'est dash étudiant et dash professeur.